Hi friends, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create fun sticker sheets like you see here with up to 200 icons per page. So let's get started. Here on the hub page, click on Create a Planner to open up a new template. This one is now set on A5 size, but you can resize the sticker sheet into any other planner size. Then next, you want to only have one widget box showing. If you now click here on Edit Layout, if you click it and set it to On, you now will have the option to automatically edit the layout here on the template. So select the second box and click on the minus button in the middle to remove it, and then click on the first one to extend it to the right side by clicking on this arrow right here, like this. Now that you have one widget box showing, you can go to Stickers here on the right side, click on Stickers, and then you can go to the Icons Basic, and here you will see a ton of different kinds of icons you can use to create sticker sheets. You see we have finances, medication, office, religion, school, social media, workout, festive ones, cleaning, self-care. Select any icon you like. For this tutorial I'll be creating a cleaning sticker sheet, so I'll be using this icon right here. Select any icon you like. Once you click on the icon, you will see it will appear on the sticker sheet like this. Now in the menu, if you scroll down, you will see a menu called Sticker Sheet Maker. And here's where you can increase the amount of stickers you want to have. So you can increase it to 3, 6, 7, 8, and then here on the right side you can also divide it into columns. So let's say you want to have 6 columns or 7, 8 columns in total. Then you can further increase it. You can create 50, or you can also create 200 icons like this, and then further add a few more columns, and this for example would be 200 icons showing here. To not overwhelm you, let's maybe set it to 50, and then below it you can also choose a sizing. You can for example if you want the icons to be 0.5 inches wide, you can here under sizing type in 0.5 inches, and this will automatically resize the icons to 0.5. Then below you can change the colors. You already see a few preset colors down here below. If you click on Custom here, you can select a new color, and then besides this you can also add a color palette to your stickers. So right here, if you set it to None, this will remove all the colors from the background. If you set it to Flat, then all the stickers will be the same color. Below is where you choose the colors. You can set it to Brighten. Let's maybe choose this blue, and you see it will give you an ombre effect where you have the colors start with a darker color and then brighten up to the lightest one. We also have the same for Darken. Then we have one that is called Primary, Secondary, Tertiary. Okay, and with this color variation, it actually is taking the color here, which are the outline, header and line color. So if you change the outline color, it will automatically adapt the colors from the outline. Then for the line color as well. So let's say you want to have it start with the green and then end at purple. You would set the line color to the purple. Maybe in the middle you want to have it go over to pink like this, or maybe a green or yellow. Then you can choose the colors here, and besides this you can also choose or select color palettes which already are pre-made. Now here on the right side, if you go to Custom Color, you will see we have a ton of different kinds of color palettes you can choose from. So maybe you can search for blue sky, and then you will have different kinds of color palettes showing with different kinds of blues, which you can select. Maybe this one here. And this is another fun way on how you can experiment and play around with it. So once you have the colors selected, you can also, for example, select what color you want the icons to be. So below the sticker maker menu, there is something called artwork color, and here is where you can further change the colors of the icons itself. But I think I'll set it to just a simple black and white, but of course you can further change it down here below. Something else is if you want the icons to be smaller, you can also go here to the setting menu, and here under zoom, right here, you can make the icon smaller. The circle still maintains 0.5 inches like you have set it, but here is where you would make the icons bigger or smaller. So maybe if you prefer the icons to be smaller, you might only want to set it to 0.7 in the zoom right here. Now let's say you want to create a second row with a different kind of icon. What you would do is make sure that the edit layout is set to on, and then below click on the plus button, and then add a new widget below, like this. And then instead of starting from scratch, you can simply copy the first one, paste it down here below, click on paste, and now go back to the icons, and now you can select a new icon. Maybe let's make the second one laundry. So select the second icon like this, and you see it will automatically change the icons but maintain the colors you have selected. If you want to add another column, you can do that by repeating the same step. Add a new widget box below it, like this. Click to add a new widget, like this, extend it, and then copy the first one, and then you would paste it into the second one, or sorry, the third one, like this. Now you see that there are too many icons, so what we would need to do is reduce the amount of icons to maybe only show 36 for all of them. 36, and here as well 36, like this. And then the last one, we can change it to maybe be the trash icon, like this, or for example windows for windows cleaning, like this. And then once you're happy with how it's looking, let me maybe change a nicer color, maybe this purple and a nicer pink. I think I like this color combination better. So once you're happy, you can also add a header if you want. So go to text, H1, and click on both or just left page, and then you want to click to add a header. Set it to the middle, and then give it a name called, for example, cleaning stickers. You can also change the font like this, and there you go. Now you see that the sides are not equal. The left side is more narrow than the right one. To have both sides equally the same, you can go to Layout, Planner, and then here you want the outer padding and inner padding to be the exact same. You can set both to 0.2 inches, outer and inner padding, like this. And now you see that both sides are the exact same width. Lastly, you can copy paste the left page to the right page, so you will have two sets of sticker sheets. If you now print them out on A4 size paper, you can trim them in half, and then you will have two sets. If you're printing them out on US letter size, make sure you have it set to half US half letter. This size right here, half letter page, and then you can print it out on US letter size paper. Now in this instance here, you see that once we've set it to half letter size, the icons don't make it here. So the page is too narrow to fit all, how many icons do we have here? 36 icons. So in this case, we would need to reduce it to around 32. So if you're following along this tutorial but you had it set to US letter size, reduce the number of icons to just 32 like this and you should be fine. So again, let's click on copy right to left to right page. Now both sides are identical again. It just reset the margins here on the left and right on the outer and inner part. So again, let's set the outer padding to 0.2 and the inner padding to 0.2 as well. We could still technically add 4 more icons to the row. So let's add again 4 more icons. And we finally have completed the sticker sheet. You can sell these sticker sheets on Etsy, on your website, anywhere. You can sell physical sticker sheets or offer them as printables, and then your customers can print them out themselves. You can also offer a silhouette version where your customers can print and cut them themselves if they have a silhouette machine. But if you want to learn more about how to create sticker sheets on silhouette, I would recommend you to maybe research silhouettes on YouTube, and you will see many different kinds of tutorials that will explain you how you can simply create a sticker sheet for cutting machines. If you have any questions, feel free to always message me on Instagram or Facebook, and I will try to respond to your questions as quickly as I can. Bye!